Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Anthony here from Blue Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to insert a table in MS Word. But before we get a video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is go to Insert. See this option called Table? Now click on this arrow here. This will pop up. We have three methods to insert a table. The first method we have is Grid Table. To insert a grid table is by selecting the required column and rows you need. So let's take an example of 5 multiplied by 3. 5 means how many columns you have in your table, and 3 means how many rows you have in your table. To insert the grid table is by clicking on Enter key. Then the second method we have is Insert Table. So click on Insert Table. Now here, table size, number of columns and number of rows. So let's take an example. We need 6 rows and 6 columns and 2 rows. Now press on OK. As you can see, 6 columns and 2 rows. The third method is Draw Table. So go to Insert, same thing, Table, click on the arrow. Now see this option called Draw Table. Now Draw Table is a bit different. So as you can see, your cursor now is a pencil or a pen. So it's really easy. Just you can draw your rows. Then you can draw your own table. So any shape you need. So this is how to insert table in MS Word. Hope this helped you in many ways, and if it did, please subscribe and hit the like button. But before we go subscribe to my brother's channel called The Gamer. Now, see you next time. Bye!